Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update Windows on your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. First, make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Then open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, swipe down to Windows Update section on the sidebar and check if you have any updates available here by clicking Check for Updates, or if you already have updates prepared for you, you can tap Install All or tap Install next to the update, next to the particular update that you want to install. For additional updates, go to Advanced Options, scroll down to Optional Updates, and here you will find all the optional updates for your device, including the driver updates, which are sometimes crucial, so don't forget to check out this menu. Then just wait until the updates are downloaded and installed, and once they are installed, you may have to restart your device by either pressing Restart Now right here, or going to Start menu, selecting Power Options and tapping Restart. And once your device is restarted, all the changes will be applied. So that's how you update Windows on your gaming device. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.